prohibited. PROBI prohibited. And controlled, right?
Yeah.
Controlled. And you have, warning signboards, right?
Yeah.
Warning signboards are in place. You have parking horn, reverse horn of the vehicle. All vehicles. All vehicles are equipped with reverse horn. And you have a signaler, you have a riggers, you have a escort man. Say for example, if I'm parking my vehicle.
Flagman.
Flagman, right?
Flagman to control the vehicles.
Flagman is deployed at the construction site. And vehicle speed, right? Vehicle speed.
Yeah.
Speed limit. It is strictly implemented.
Also, defensive driving for the workers. Defensive driving training is given.
Okay.
Defensive driving.
Huh?
Defensive
driving.
Yeah,
training is
defensive
given
driving.
for all.
Yeah, very nice.
training.
HSC induction. Every toolbox training, every day toolbox training, right?
Yes.
Every shift. Toolbox. Please. And supervision. And absolute 100% supervision, right? 100% supervision.